Now, federal workers are also suffering. Today, thousands of employees at the Atlanta-based Centers for Disease Control and Prevention did not get a paycheck. Channel 2's Barron Peterson is live outside of the agency's headquarters in DeKalb County. Barron, you talked to current and former employees. One former CDC contractor is doing everything she can to help her colleagues.
Yeah, going above and beyond. She's setting up a network of sorts to help employees here arrange some side hustles to bring in some extra money, everything from tutoring to dog walking.
Sarah Boehm has always been the kind to help a colleague in need, but this time it's all of her colleagues.
Government workers, we don't make that much money, so a lot of us live paycheck to paycheck.
The former Centers for Disease Control and Prevention employee helped launch Fired But Fighting early this year as job cuts began to hit the agency. On this day, she launched what she calls a furloughed Feds talent marketplace to help current and former CDC employees now that the government shutdown has cut off their paychecks. Another resource called CDC Mutual Aid is taking donations to help those workers stay afloat, and Atlanta area residents has stepped up to help.
It's not surprising to me at all that people are rallying around CDC after what's been a really hard year for CDC employees.
Erin Backus has been with the agency for 7 years, and this payday came and went with nothing. Sarah wants to help as many co-workers as possible hang on for as long as possible.
People do this job because they love it and they're dedicated to it. They're not doing it for the money, but that puts us in a position where sometimes, things get really difficult if that paycheck isn't coming in.
So that talent marketplace for CDC employees is going to be online next week. We're live in DeKalb. Barron Peterson, Channel 2 Action News.
And there is such a need for that income too, Barron. People doing everything they can to provide for theirs. Thank you.
SNAP benefits and federal pay, not the only disruptions facing people here in Georgia. TSA and air traffic control staffing issues have caused some spotty delays at some airports. Head Start programs for low-income children could lose funding next month if the shutdown continues. A lot of infrastructure construction work across the country could be put on hold, and people counting on federally backed mortgages to buy a home are in limbo. Applications have stalled. Many are low to moderate income home buyers.